Well, breaking news just coming in. The leadership of the NCP is thinking about Dilip Walse Patil as the next Home Minister of Maharashtra, is what sources are saying. Dilip Walse Patil is currently the Labour and Excise Minister in Maharashtra government. Remember, Sharad Pawar had said that it is on Uddhav Thackeray to decide on Anil Deshmukh's resignation. So there is a name that is doing the rounds already also, and Sahil Joshi is getting asked. That big story from Mumbai. Sahil, it's extremely evident that the NCP has been very uncomfortable about whatever has been going on for the last few days or so. And now we also have a name doing the rounds, because is there a sense really within the NCP that Uddhav Thackeray may ask Anil Deshmukh to resign?
The resignation will be asked by the party, and it's very clear and evident from Sharad Pawar's press conference that within next couple of days that decision will be taken. But of course, that resignation will happen only after they will narrow down on one name, that who will be replacing Anil Deshmukh. And of course, they will be needing someone who is right now without any controversy and is a clean slate at this point of time. And that looks like and they had a couple of choices, like Jayant Patil himself, who is meeting Sharad Pawar today. He is the state NCP chief. But what my sources are telling me is that Dilip Walse Patil, who has been long-time confidant of Sharad Pawar, is likely to get the portfolio of Home Department once the decision will be taken that Anil Deshmukh should be going. But at the same time, the government sources are telling me is that they are working out a formula where Anil Deshmukh will go. At the same time, they are planning to take action against Paramveer Singh, and then there will be an inquiry order. Pawar has already suggested name of Julio Ribeiro, a very eminent former IPS officer and former DG of Punjab as well as Maharashtra. So obviously his name is under consideration by the government, but all that will follow after resignation of Anil Deshmukh at this point of time. But both the leaders, Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister, as well as Jayant Patil, will be reaching Delhi by 6 o'clock. Before that, Sanjay Raut will also be meeting with Sharad Pawar. And after the meeting of Ajit Pawar and Jayant Patil with Sharad Pawar will have a conversation with the Chief Minister as well, Uddhav Thackeray, and then the decision will be sealed. So there is still a process, but right now my sources are telling me is that NCP leadership is considering Dilip Walse Patil as the most probable candidate to be replaced in place of Anil Deshmukh at this point of time. So we can say that Anil Deshmukh will go, and at the same time Dilip Walse Patil's name is being considered.
Okay, so is he going to be the replacement to Anil Deshmukh there, who's found himself in the middle of a big controversy? Sahil, thanks for getting us those details.